Hey guys, this is KNRK. The purpose of this video is to share a Windows 10 tip, or I can say it's a hack. So what am I teaching them? Imagine you have opened too many windows or applications on your desktop screen. For example, in this video I have opened the clock, calendar, Google Chrome and a Mozilla Firefox browser, and I also have a notepad open. Imagine for a second that I want to highlight the clock, which I did. Now I want to keep clock displayed on the screen, and I want all the other screens to be minimized. Now how do I do this is exactly what I will show you today. Now usually what people do is they use the key combination of Windows D, which minimizes everything. Now after you minimize everything, you're just going to choose which application to be kept open, and you're going to open it. Now this is one way of doing, and the way I want to show you is two different techniques, one with the help of the mouse and one without the help of the mouse. With the help of the mouse, all you need to do is hover the mouse pointer on top of the clock, because I want to keep this application showcased on the screen. Now while you're holding the mouse button down, the left mouse button down, shake it a little bit to make sure all rest of the applications are getting minimized. Now how do you do this if you do not have a mouse? Hold the left touchpad button down and use another hand, move your finger on the touchpad area to minimize all the applications. I'm hoping that this video was helpful. Please leave your comments below, and I will meet you guys again in the next video with another tip. Wishing you a fabulous day.